Today we're going to talk about how to configure equipment in Astra Schedule. To start configuring equipment, you'll go to the top here and click on Settings, and then you'll select Equipment and Services. Next, you'll click Add a Resource, and you'll select your resource type, and we'll select Equipment. And here at the top, you've got your starting pieces to configure your equipment. You'll want to put in the name of the equipment. So something such as microphone, that can be scheduled. And then from the drop-down, you can select the category of the resource. For this example, we'll select media services. You can only select one resource category. If you need to associate group tags, you can associate multiple resource groups. You click on that Add button, and then from the drop-down you'll select the resource tag, the resource group that you want associated. You can also provide a description of the type of resource that is being scheduled. If there is an amount that you would want associated with the resource, you can put that quantity here. If there is a quantity, then you have the option to track individual items, which you can click on that track items, and then you can select yes if that's the case. You can also provide additional equipment details if you'd like that in Astra Schedule. Additional optional things you can leverage on the equipment record is restricting it by the location. So if that microphone needs to stay in a specific building or room, you can add that location. You can also add a storage location if it needs that record on that detail for you to reference later on. And additionally, if there is a setup and tear down window of time that you would want for every time that resource is scheduled, you can come down here to the setup tear down piece and add that here. And then you can also configure the price of that resource if you are leveraging invoices and estimates.